After 172 years, Airswal finally gets a train, and this new line could rewrite Mizoram's destiny. Let's uncover how it transforms growth in the hills. What's new? The Beirabi Sairang railway line is a 51.38 kilometers broad gauge rail link connecting Beirabi, the border of Assam, to Sairang, approximately 15 to 17 kilometers from Aizawl, linking the Mizoram's capital to the Indian railway grid for the first time. Its formal inauguration is scheduled for 13 September 2025, when PM Narendra Modi ji will flag off three trains, including the Rajdhani Express between Sairang and Delhi, built at rupees 8,000 plus crores of cost. The terrain challenged 45 tunnels, approximately 12.85 kilometers of tunnel length, 55 major plus 87 minor bridges, plus 5 ROBs plus 6 RUBs on this route. Why it matters for UPSC or policy lens. Economic boost. It is estimated to reduce commodity prices by at least 20% in the state, making basic goods more affordable. Agriculture and trade. Mizoram has rich output in oranges, pineapple, ginger, turmeric, and more. Previously, high transport costs and post-harvest losses, approximately 25 to 30%, forced farmers to sell cheap. The railway offers cheaper, reliable access to external markets. Tourism and jobs. With better access, tourist arrivals are expected to surge. State project approximately 50% rise in the next 5 years. Local youth may find opportunities in hospitality, transport, crafts, and services. Strategic and integration. This line embodies the Act East or the Northeast connectivity push. Further extension towards Myanmar border is under survey, which could strengthen cross-border trade and geopolitical links. In fragile hill ecosystems, construction needed eco-sensitive designs, more tunnels, viaducts to reduce deforestation and habitat loss. Trade-offs remain. Logistics and supply chain. Most construction materials, stone, stands, steel, guiders have to be imported from outside states like Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, etc. Sometimes a day's work was delayed due to transport issues, the safety risk and human cost. In 2023, a bridge under construction collapsed, killing 26 workers. Demographic and cultural concern. Some locals fear cultural dilution. Identity loss, demographic influx, disconnectivity improves. Balancing growth with local rights and identity is critical. This rail link is more than steel and tracks. It's a bridge to inclusion, to growth and unity for Mizoram.